Lipton.
I don't know how to feel about this.
I like this one. I like the... Yeah, instead of...
We're now going downstairs to go get them.
The whole thing.
I love IKEA though.
All the way down here and they only have it's like the new like green ones. They don't have like the white clips here, so I'm gonna probably buy online. Whoa. Bye bye bye. Currently it's 7:15 and now I'm at home and I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got. So the first thing I got is the IKEA like board thing, and I plan to put this like, I don't know if I got it too big or like too small. Actually no, it might be too big. I'm a little scared, but you know what, it'll be okay, it'll be fine. And then I got the holder thing to put on there. I got a clock because in my room I actually don't have a clock, and then like because I always just use the clock on my phone, but then I've always really wanted this one. I thought it looked really nice. And I got some hanger. Then I bought this candle. I don't know how to pronounce Luminaire. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it smells so nice. I got this lip tint from Roman because I keep seeing this all over Instagram and I really wanted it. Then I got 2 hand cream because I just got my nails removed, and then because I have like extreme anxiety, and then I keep like biting my nails and my skin has been like so bad. Then I got this. I don't know what it's called. These were literally my childhood snacks. Like I love this so much. These are so addicting to eat. board, you have to like drill that thing into the wall. I just decided to buy these, so it's gonna be a lot easier. Also, they didn't have the clip things that I wanted, so I also decided to buy them online, like these ones. So currently it's 8:46 and I've just been reviewing for my math quiz tomorrow. I don't know why, but I'm already like so tired because these days, because of school, I've been sleeping really early. It's not even 9 yet and I'm already like dying and I'm so tired. But I still have a dance I have to learn because me and my friend are making a club for school, and one of the teachers want us to like have a video prepared for their assemblies, so I still have to learn it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be recording it. Right now I'm working on my Chinese presentation. I'm not ready for this because I have to speak for like 6 minutes. Maybe it's not like a lot for some people, but like I'm not that good at Chinese, so I was just watching Fruits Basket for like 30 minutes, and then there's some time I was working on my presentation, my math homework, and like everything. I have to wake up at like 7:45 tomorrow because I still have school. I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.